Hello, my name is Charmaine, and today we're going to be discussing the structures of the sheep's brain. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start with the meninges. Under the meninges, we have the dura mater. The dura mater is the outer protective sheet of the brain. Below the dura mater, we have the arachnoid and the pia mater. After that, we have the cerebrum. The cerebrum is covered in this area here, and also we have the longitudinal cerebral fissure that is located this section that goes along here. So we have the gyrus that's located here, and then the sulcus, which is located here in this fold here. Next, we have the brain stem, and the brain stem basically runs along all the way down this area to the spinal cord, which is located here. This is the spinal cord. Next, we're going to go ahead and talk about the midbrain, as well as the cerebral pedicle, which is this middle area here. Then we have the superior colliculus, which is here, and the superior colliculus here. The pons is located here, and the medulla oblongata is located here, right before the spinal cord. Now we have the vermis. The vermis is located at the top right here. Then we have the lateral hemisphere. The lateral hemisphere is basically the right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. Now we go into the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located here on the brain. The pituitary gland will be located in this area here. Next, we have the olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb are these two here, and the olfactory nerve is basically the olfactory bulbs connected together there. Next, you have the optic nerve. The optic nerve is this area here. The optic chiasm is the middle here, and the optic tract is basically like down here, the end there. And on the brain, this will be located excuse me, right above the pituitary gland, so right in this area. Now we have the oculomotor, which is located alongside here. We have the trochlear, which is this little stem piece there. Then we have the trigeminal, which is located here. And lastly, we have the abducens nerve, which is located here. The corpus callosum is located right here above here. The thalamus is located in this area. The hypothalamus is located here. The lateral ventricle is located this line there. The septum pellucidum is located in this area here. The choroid plexus is located here, and the third ventricle is here. You have the cerebral aqueduct, and that's going to be located along this area here of the spinal cord. Then you have the fourth ventricle, which is located right in here. And you have the arbor vitae, which is located right in this area. Next, we have the white matter. The white matter is going to be the lightest part of the brain in the inside. And then we have the gray matter, which is basically all of this area here. The dorsal and the ventricle roots, if you were to put the brain together, you could probably see them running along the spinal cord here. Now that we have looked over all the sections of the sheep's brain, this will conclude our presentation for today. Thank you. One area I forgot to mention was the cerebellum. The cerebellum is located in this area here. So this whole area is the cerebellum.